there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Well, we made it to day 10 in our 12 days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and I've got another incredibly cool prize for you today. Now, I'll explain what this does, and it's one of those things where you're thinking, I didn't know I needed that, but now that Rick explained it, I gotta get one of those, and we're giving it away, and I'll get into that in a minute. But first, what do you get when you cross a snowman with a vampire? Frostbite. One drone, two drones, three drones. Anyway, on the 10th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me an HDMI extension kit from our good friends at Orei. That's right, it's the EX165C. Now, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, this product allows you to share all of your HDMI media content from any device with an HDMI port with a second remote location up to 165 feet away over a single Cat 6 or Cat 7 LAN cable, which means you can share content from your downstairs to your upstairs, between bedrooms, between your media center and your garage, wherever you want to put that content. It's a wonderful product. Everything you need is included. And I know it's not a drone, but we're trying to expand what the channel does. And I love this kind of technology. So we're giving this one away. And the contest could not be simpler. Basically, go down below, you'll find a link that says enter the contest here. You click that link, it'll open up a form. Just put your email in and your YouTube username in, and after 7 days, we're gonna close our eyes, we're not gonna look, put the blindfold on, and we're gonna pull one random winner out of the group that have entered, and we're gonna send you an email saying, good news, you won the Orei product, boy, are you excited. Send us your shipping address and we'll put it in a box and send it to you. And again, no strings attached, we don't ask for shipping charges, we don't really need anything, we're gonna get rid of your email as soon as we pick the winner. We just wanna send this off to you so you can enjoy it. You're gonna be happy, we're going to be happy, and everybody's happy at that point. Now, I don't care where in the world you live. Now, I've picked on a lot of different towns, a lot of different countries. I'm going to pick on Australia a little bit because I did a little bit of work. I know Australia's a beautiful country. I've been there a couple of times. I love the people in Australia. I love the landscape. You can point a camera in any direction in Australia and capture a perfect picture, but I got a bone to pick with these guys. What's with your mountain names? Mount Buggery, Mount Cannibal, Mount Slaughter, Mount Terrible, Mount Disappointment. How can a mountain be disappointing? Anyway, it sounds like the Australians are not big on mountains, but if you live in any of those places, I'm sorry if I picked on you, but those are terrible names for mountains anyway. So if you live there, that's great. We'll ship it to you. You can live anywhere else you want in the world, but don't name your mountains such depressing things. I think mountains are beautiful. They're regal. They're gorgeous. I like hiking up them. So fix that if you can there, Australia. Anyway, you could live there. You could live anywhere in the world, and we'll send it to you, no strings attached. Now, I say every time, this is the 10th day. We've got 2 more days coming. Oh man, these last 2 days. I just wish I was a viewer of this channel because the stuff we're giving away these last 2 days are things that I would definitely enter. So tell your family, tell your friends, tell your neighbors, or matter of fact, don't tell anybody because that's going to decrease your chances of winning, but make sure you're here for day 11 and day 12 because we have a couple of surprise guests that I'm trying to get in front of a camera, which we like to do every year, but more importantly, the prizes are fantastic. And from the bottom of my heart, nothing brings me more joy than making somebody laugh and making somebody happy. And we're going to give these prizes away, and I guarantee you, when that box shows up on your front porch and you open it up, you're going to be really, really happy. So stay tuned for those last 2 days. And if you haven't entered all the contests we've done so far, go back and enter those contests because every one of these is individual. So today's contest is just for this. You don't even know about the rest of them. I don't know about you and the rest of them. So go back on all those other days and enter those contests. So you got a shot at winning some of those prizes because, again, we want people to be happy, and we're giving away a lot of good stuff. So that's all I really had for today. Thank you so much for your support. I can't tell you how much it means to us to see the subscriber count grow, to have a lot of really intelligent, good questions, hard questions come in from the viewers that we can help you with. Because again, the whole intent of this channel is to explain technology in a way that makes sense to everybody so that you get the best value out of whatever it is you're looking at that runs on electrons. Again, if you can put a battery in it, if you can recharge it, it's something we want to talk about. So anyway, that's it for today. Enough about me rambling on here. We'll see you tomorrow. Please stay tuned to the channel and hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss these last 2. And that's it. So thanks again for watching. And until next time, as always, happy flying.